Good morning. This is Ms. Twazon. How are you? We haven't seen each other for a couple of weeks. I hope things have been going pretty well for you guys. And so today is our first launch for the new way of delivering the curriculum for English Language Arts 10-1, period 1B. And so we just want to see how this is going to work for us. We're going to take it easy. So the first thing I want you guys to do today is to go to School Zone, go under Classroom Resources, and look for the code for the Google Classroom that I created for a class to be using over the next few weeks. After you go and download that, and access that, sorry, not download it, let yourself into the Google Classroom, and in there you'll find the instructions for the week of March 30th. There's actually a few more for the next 2 weeks, but I only want you to focus on steps 1 and 2. All right, so we're going to take it easy, get used to this program that we're using, and then every Monday we'll touch bases for the things that we're going to do for that week, and so we're going to roll it out 1 week at a time. All right, and could you please also email me at miriam.tuazon@epsb.ca, or drop me a line in Google Classroom just to let me know that you received this message. All right, hope that you guys are staying safe and healthy, and we will stay in touch with you from week in and out and via email or Google Classroom. So please take care. Over and out. This is Miss T.